Hey guys, it's Keira here and I'm going to show you how to get this wearable purple look. First, I'll be using the Beauty Bento eyeshadow trio in the shade Hella Azalea, and I'll be using the pink from that trio all on her lid and into the crease. For added definition, I'll be using the dark purple in the same trio and smoking out her outer crease and lower lash line. To clean up, I'll be using Don't Settle Concealer in the shade number 8, and I'll be blending it out in the center of her face, especially underneath the eyes and in the T-zone. To continue with the purple theme, I'll be using MOCHI Pop Blush in the shade Spoils of Mars and applying it to the apples of her cheeks. For her highlight, I'll be using MOCHI Glow highlighter in the shade Stardust and applying it to the high points of her face and down the bridge of her nose. For a little bit of added sparkle, I'm taking the sparkly shade from the Hella Azalea trio and applying it just on the inner corners of her eyes. For her lips, I'll be using Two's Company Lipstick and Liner Duo in the shade Daybreak, and I'll be using the liner side to add a little bit of definition to her lips. To tie her lip color into the purple trend, I'll be using Heart Melter Lip Gloss Stick in the shade Be Mine. And that's the final look.